I've been trying out this new makeup routine और जब भी मैं कर रही होती हूँ I think about sharing it with you guys और कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा होता है and I can't. I did my brows and this is moisturizer on my face जिसकी वजह से मैं इतनी glow कर रही हूँ. But anyways, आपने translucent powder लेना है. I've taken the Beautify by Amna wala and this is after you moisturize your face. You just need to dab a little powder on your face. ठीक है? उसके बाद you're gonna take a makeup setting spray. I'm taking the NYX का Dewy Finish something and you're just gonna spray it all over your face. ठीक है? अब आपने बस wait करना है इसके dry होने का. So now जब ये dry हो गया, you have to start doing your makeup, which is now I prime my face with a primer. And you just basically do whatever routine you do usually and देखना what a difference this routine will make. It helps the makeup stay so much longer. I saw somebody do this on Instagram and I tried it and I've been doing this for a few days now or I love it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So another hack I use for under eye concealing is a red lipstick. And orange concealer, yeah, something like that. I just use these two little dots. Next, I am going to put on some foundation. थोड़ी सी लगा रही हूँ, just one pump. And I'm just going to put it all over my face and neck. Don't forget your neck, guys. So this is a brush जिसकी अब हालत तो कोई खास इतनी अच्छी नहीं रही. This is a brush I got from Nabila's and it is so good. इसका नीचे वाला साइड मैंने तोड़ भी दिया है, but amazing. I love it. So खैर, it blends like इतना quick because I don't really have that patience. If you want, you can also just use a blender. इसको मैंने वेट किया हुआ है. ये ब्रश से कभी कभार थोड़ी थोड़ी स्ट्रीक्स रह जाती हैं. So just to make sure that's not happening, blend करके थोड़ा और natural लगेगा. It won't look like you have too much makeup plastered all over your face. Now we're gonna use a concealer. I'm using Fit Me by Maybelline. Blend कर दूँगी. Normally this is where you would add powder, but क्योंकि मेरा I want to add like a liquid highlight, I'm gonna do that first. थोड़ी सी natural type of glowiness आ जाती है. And under the eyebrows, I'm gonna use a lip tint. I love lip tints. I just got this in a PR. It's called Avene Organics and they sent me 2 of their lip tints and they're both amazing. So I'm gonna use Intimate Pink. I use this cheeks के लिए भी. I even put some on my nose. Okay, so that's it for this step. अब हम powder लगा सकते हैं. Powder मैं ये लगाने लगी हूँ. This is Airspun Loose Face Powder. Put it right under my eyes. जहाँ जहाँ creases आ सकती हैं, just put it there. Mascara, this I got in a PR from Zoha. So this one side is the primer. I've just taken this mascara, दूसरा Rimmel का है, because I wanted थोड़ा सा volume वाला. Now we've reached my most favorite step, which is highlighter, for which I'm using the Beautify by Amna का highlighting palette. इसके अंदर की हालत आपको नहीं दिखाऊंगी because अफसोस होगा आप सबको. But I'm gonna use Praline and I'm using this brush which is also amazing. It's from Ulta Beauty. So now that I have put some highlighter on my face, I've taken a smaller brush and I'm just going to put that under my brows. Just like right here. That's pretty much it for my makeup routine. This is what I do most days, except that आज शायद मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही highlighter लगा दिया, but I'm okay with that right now. I'm okay. This is my makeup routine and I thought I'd finally share art.